Hey everybody, it's your girl Maya here. I am back with another video. This one is an update on my Sisterlocks. So guys, if you can't tell, I just had a fresh retie. This hair is very fresh. I'm not styling it really right now. I want to kind of leave them be because unfortunately I had a little bit of it's not even really a setback. It's just like a sucky thing that happens. I lost a lock, y'all. Little baby lock, just one. Basically I was doing this, just separating from the root, gently raking my fingers through, and bam, she just broke off. You can actually kind of see here, this is the part that was connected. This is the end, my curly end. This is where it broke off. So it was like literally, y'all, like a few strands of hair holding that lock into place. So it's okay. So my number of locks has also changed too, because once I told my consultant that I lost a lock, she did combine some of the smaller ones because they were just too little and they just weren't, they probably weren't gonna last, or they were gonna break off too. So the ones at the nape of my neck, of course, are very small, but there was some really tiny thin ones. She combined them, which I am totally fine with. Yeah, so just a little update on my hair, how it's been going. So for the first time, and sorry y'all, I got a pimple. Anyways, but so for the first time in some years, I actually have dandruff. That was something that I never had really before, maybe like as a kid, but I never had dandruff like that. This is something new. So I talked to my consultant about it, and I told her, and she was saying you can use apple cider vinegar, let it sit on your scalp. She said sometimes because your scalp is now exposed and it hasn't been used to it, it's just like skin that wasn't normally exposed to the elements. And so now you have different things going on with it. And of course it's fall, so it's getting colder outside, the air is changing, so there's a lot of different factors that could contribute to you having the dandruff. But she recommended, as I was saying, apple cider vinegar, and she was saying you can dilute it, put 1 part apple vinegar, 2 parts water, spray it all over your scalp, let it sit for about 30 minutes. She also mentioned if I had a facial toner, since of course your scalp is an extension of your skin, it's just a different, just not normally exposed, but it's still your skin, part of your epidermis. And she was like, you can use that toner on your hair too. And I was like, I sure do. Like my skin absolutely loves toner with apple cider vinegar in it. I actually use this one here. It's from Immutable Skincare. She's a black owned brand, and she has facial toners. This one has apple cider vinegar, spring water, raw honey, lemon oil, essential oils in it. So it is bomb. It's one of my favorite, and actually this one is in the fragrance lemon, so it has a little bit more vitamin C in it too, and I love that for the brightening factors. So what I actually did this time was I took some of this and I sprayed it in a little spray bottle here like this. I didn't use a lot. I just literally sprayed put like enough so that I could really saturate my scalp. So I did that and don't judge me, y'all. I went out to dinner because I was like, people smell like worse things than vinegar, so don't judge me, y'all. Yeah, I did. And the food was good too. After everybody got over the vinegar smell, it was fine. But yeah, so I really let it sit because the dandruff, me and the dandruff, we was not gonna be cool, y'all. I did not want to get comfortable with the dandruff. And I'm still noticing that it's a lot better, but I am gonna probably have to do 1 or 2 more treatments on my hair right before I wash it. Because that's what I did. So I went to dinner, I came home, I sectioned my hair, braided and banded it, and then I washed it out. But this time, instead of beforehand, I was actually just using shampoo and then shampooing the sections like that. This time I used a spray bottle, so I put some of the Sisterlocks green tea shampoo inside of spray bottle, and then I just saturated those areas, and I really got in there with my the pads of my fingers, and I really scrubbed it good. Because I don't know if many of you know, but if you follow me on Instagram, I am very active. I'm also becoming a certified personal trainer as well as a registered nurse. So I'm busy, y'all. And I sweat when I work out a lot because I hydrate a lot more than I used to. I never realized that, of course, that made such a big difference. I used to be like, man, I never sweat. It's because I was probably dehydrated, but that's a whole nother thing. But so I really got into the hair washing and I got it good. If you guys want to see a video of me washing my hair or doing this little routine, let me know. Comment down below. I'll definitely try to make a video about it. I'm definitely gonna need some help because filming outside of this little space, not easy. But anywho, yeah, so I recommend this toner even for your skin, and of course you can use it on your scalp, as I said. Some other products that I've actually been using for hydration is Notorious Locs Hydrating Mist, which I really love. It conditions and adds luster, as it says. And then, but it has aloe vera juice and rose water, so it's super light. It's not something that's really heavy and not full of a lot of oils, so that's one thing you can use to hydrate. Another thing that I live by, swear by, is Uncle Funky's daughter, Defunk. Y'all, sis, if you have locks and you work out and you don't have this, what are you doing with your life? Like really, what you doing with your life? I'm just saying. Because this right here, refresh, first of all, it smells bomb. Second of all, I don't know what is in here that breaks up the funk and the sweat that's in your head after you work out, but it works. I mean, I literally will work out and then I spray that out over my scalp, get in the shower, let the steam kind of like really penetrate my locks and my scalp with this on it, and then I just kind of like put my hair in braids and let my scalp dry. Sis, you wouldn't even know I worked out. You won't even know nothing. Like, you don't even smell what? I don't know. This stuff right here, I love it. And actually, what's in it? Chamomile, which is probably what I'm smelling. The lavender. So it's a lot of different essential oils in here that really kind of help. That was another thing too. I was watching YouTube videos and I saw people were saying that they use essential oils to penetrate their hair as well. So I actually use water and I use some peppermint oil. It's an essential oil, and then I used a little bit of the ylang ylang. One, because I like the way it smells. Love the way ylang ylang smells. So I would mix those two because I like the mint stimulation. Like I wanted to stimulate the hair growth. So I would use that on my hair as well as the ylang ylang. I got some other ones in here that I want to try, like rosemary and basil. They have some good uses and some noted, like they're really good for your hair follicle. If I make a video, if I do more and I start using them, then I'll make a video explaining what they do for the hair. But I've been using those in oils that I made for my hair since I've been watching Natural 85 way back in the day when I first started my natural hair journey, y'all. And I swear by those oils because they worked. My hair grew like crazy, and I'm trying to do the same for my locks. Like these little babies, they gonna be long because they already growing now. I mean, like, this is like my third retie, and they growing and thriving, so yeah, overall I'm still really enjoying the journey. I'll keep you guys updated on the like on what I'm doing for the dandruff and if it gets better. I only did that one time with this toner, the apple cider vinegar toner. So I kind of want to give it a few more tries to see if it really works. Really, like you can kind of see now my scalp is way better, way better already. There's still a little bit of dandruff, but compared to how it was, this is nothing. So I can deal with this. But yeah, if you all have any questions for me or you want to know more about the products, I'll link them in the bio, or I'll put the names to them in the bio. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll make a video well, not a video, but I'll put in an Instagram post these products and where you can find them. They're awesome. Like, I think I can actually just link the website. What am I doing? I can link the websites in the description below. Duh, that's the easy thing. Yeah, but I'll do it for these products. The essential oils, you can find them at anywhere, Whole Foods or Trader Joe's or wherever. But yeah, another thing too, as I mentioned, I think I kind of glazed over it, but I've really been trying to hydrate, and I've noticed the difference in my hair. I know that's kind of like common sense, but you all, if you don't drink enough water, oh my gosh, skin, nails, everything. Like, my skin is breaking out, and I haven't really had that many breakouts since I became more active and started drinking water. But I took a whole week off of working out last week, and I was not on top of working out like I normally do. And look at all these bumps. So hydration is so key, even for my hair. Like, I can feel the difference in my hair, in my scalp, everywhere. So that's another tip that I've been really focusing on for month 3. So if you guys have any questions for me, as I was saying, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I try to drop new videos every Friday if possible. If my videos record, sorry y'all, I've been having some issues with my videos, but that's a whole nother thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this update, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.